I'm not sure if you remember me, but I live in the apartment a couple doors down. Yeah, I thought you would, but I felt awkward just assuming that. I mean, we talk sometimes, but it's usually just when we pass in the hall, so I wanted to make sure. I'm so sorry to bug you so late in the evening, but I'm kind of in the middle of a situation and was hoping that you'd be willing to help. So I actually kind of locked myself out of my apartment, and my roommate isn't going to be home until tomorrow morning. I wanted to ask if I could stay here just for a little bit, please. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Wow, it's really warm here. It's really nice. Oh, no, I wasn't outside for too long, just probably an hour and a half. I may have forgotten my keys at the gym. Well, they were getting ready to close for the night, and I didn't want to make them stay late, so I left as soon as I could. I guess I forgot my keys because I was so focused on making sure I had everything else. Nope. Since it's the gym just down the street, I usually walk. Unless the weather is really terrible. I didn't realize it was supposed to storm like this. It was just supposed to be a light rain. And I like walking in the rain, but this is heavier than I thought it would be. I was completely soaked in less than a minute. Huh? Oh, shoot. Sorry, I'm getting water everywhere. Do you have a towel or something I can borrow to dry off with? That sounds great. I'll grab one. Is the bathroom down the hall over there? I figured. I think we have the same floor plan. Alright, I'm gonna go dry off so I don't ruin your carpet. I'll be right back. That's better. Sorry again for getting water everywhere. Oh, yeah, my clothes are still wet, but it's all right. It's not like I can go home and change. I mean, yeah, it's cold, but I don't mind it too much. It's nothing I can't handle. What? I mean, you want me to... Sorry, you just kind of caught me off guard there. I'm pretty bad at picking up on jokes. You must be joking. You really think it would be a good idea for me to take my shirt off? I mean, it would be warmer than wearing soaking wet clothes, but are you sure? Borrowing your clothes seems like it would be... I don't know. I feel like it would be taking too much from you. I mean, you're already letting me stay here for the night. I don't want to ask for more than I already have. You really wouldn't mind? Are you sure? Alright. If you're sure, then fine. That would be great. I would love to borrow one of your shirts. Sure, let me just take this off. Is there somewhere you'd like me to put it? Oh, yeah. If you want to toss it into the jar, that would be really nice. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'll just wait here. Do you mind if I sit on your couch? Alright. Then I'll just wait for you here. Oh, thank you. Let me just put this on real quick. It's pretty comfortable, but a little snug. I'm worried I might stretch it out a bit. Are you sure you don't mind? Alright, if you're sure. Here, let me scoot over a bit so you have some room to sit down too. Yeah, sure. It'd be pretty rude for me to kick you off of your own couch. Much easier to talk to you when you're sitting next to me too. What to talk about? That is a good question. Let me think on that for a minute. Oh, how about this? Do you rescue forgetful guys from the rain often? Or am I just particularly cute when I'm a sopping wet mess? Oh boy. What can I say? I'm curious. I just want to know if you do this for all the cute strangers that you see who are hopelessly locked out of their apartments. Or if it's because I'm too cute to resist. Nope, I only flirt this much when I'm nervous. Well, of course I'm nervous. It's my first time in your apartment and I don't want to mess it up. Because I really like talking to you and I wanted to, get to know you more. But this is definitely not what I pictured when I imagined what my first time in your apartment would be like. I don't know, I was thinking something a bit less wet. In all honesty, I was thinking it would be something kind of cute, maybe something like me accidentally getting some of your mail and bringing it to you, so we end up talking, getting lunch together. Well, it would be better than me interrupting your movie and getting water everywhere while begging you to spend the night. I think almost anything would be better than this. I don't know, I was hoping I would be a bit more smooth. I wanted to dress up a bit and bring you flowers, I wanted to woo you a bit. That kind of does sound like I'd be asking you on a date, huh? Maybe there's a reason for that. Yeah, I'm saying that I want to ask you out on a date. Was it that obvious? It's... Like I said, I really like talking to you, and I think that it would be nice to get to know you more. It doesn't help that you're so cute that I get weak in the knees every time I see you. Yes, every single time. What are you talking about? You look fantastic when you're getting the mail in your old flannel pants and ratty tank top. Well, I beg to differ. I think you look incredibly dateable when you're a mess. Is that so? You think I'm a dateable mess too? Am I even more dateable now that I'm wearing your shirt? Yeah? Then if I were to ask you on a date right now, what are the chances that you would say yes? Depends on the date. How about we watch movies together while there's a terrible thunderstorm outside and I'm locked out of my apartment? Why not? What better time for a first date than right now? I mean, we're already here, I'm in your apartment, wearing your clothes, and I'm gonna be here until tomorrow morning, so... I think that having a movie marathon while sharing blankets and snacks sounds like a perfect first date. Well then, come here and bring that blanket with you. The first thing you've got to learn about me tonight is that I like cuddling. Especially when I'm cold. The second thing. Then what was the first thing? Is that right? So you really like the way I look in your clothes, huh? Am I that cute? Am I cute enough to kiss? Then why don't you? You know, this honestly isn't how I expected our first date to go, but I'm pretty happy it is. Because I've wanted to kiss you for a while now. Well, if you want to kiss me too, then I say we should keep kissing. Hey, why don't we turn on a movie real quick? Just so we can say it's a movie date, even if we don't watch it? Perfect. Now, kiss me again? Because I am so much more interested in you than any movie.